Have you ever wondered why dropped objects invariably fall to the ground instead of taking a different, perhaps less predictable path? This question has fascinated thinkers for centuries, and today we embark on a journey to uncover the enigma of gravity. This omnipresent force defines our everyday experiences, from keeping our feet firmly planted on the ground to maintaining the moon's orbit around Earth. Gravity, while invisible, exerts a powerful pull on all matter, its strength proportional to mass. As we delve into the world of gravity, we not only decipher why objects fall, but also gain insights into the laws that govern our universe, preparing us to explore even more of its wonders. Transitioning from the cosmic dance of gravity, let's focus on a phenomenon that's closer to home, but no less miraculous: the transformation of water. Beholding water as it boils into steam or solidifies into ice might seem ordinary, yet it embodies the intricate science behind state changes. This metamorphosis, driven by temperature variations, showcases water molecules' fascinating journey from liquid to gas and liquid to solid. Through the lens of science, these daily spectacles reveal the profound nature of matter's properties. As we dive deeper into the scientific realm, we're reminded to stay curious. Up next, we'll uncover the ingenuity behind simple yet profound tools that shape our everyday lives. The marvels of science are not just confined to natural phenomena or grand cosmological concepts, but are also embedded in the simplicity of everyday tools. Simple machines, our unsung heroes, facilitate our daily endeavors with minimal effort. From the lever, which exemplifies how a small force can lift heavy weights, to the wheel and axle that simplifies movement, these inventions are a testament to physics' elegant principles. Understanding how these devices exploit forces in motion not only illuminates the physics behind them, but also enriches our appreciation for the countless ways science enhances our lives. As our exploratory journey concludes, remember, the magic of science thrives in grand discoveries and in the minute, often overlooked details of our daily existence. The world is our laboratory, ripe for discovery.